everybody, this is Rita, and until I figure out how to do the microphone with my iPhone, you might need to just increase the volume in order to listen to this. I'm really apologize for that. I'm really new to this, so I'm not sure how to do it, but I just wanted to do a little quick tutorial on how I did these mini envelope tag type things, or booklets better. There are multiple people that Touch of Sparkle and also Lori, Girl on the Ridge, that have inspired this. And so basically I just take, that's what these look like, and I just completed these two. Only takes a few minutes. Just take these two coffee dyed mini envelopes, or you can use any size of envelopes basically, and I cut the tops off like this. Then we have openings on the top here, so we have these two. Now in order to put the two together, there are multiple things you can do. I used a washi tape, and my washi tape is a little bit cantankerous, so please bear with me. That's not good, so we'll have to use a little bit over here. Okay, so turn it to the side. Make sure the openings are on the top. And excuse my mess, I have a huge mess on my desk. Anyways, you just basically put these together like that, and then all the way down. I'm not gonna do that right now, but you get the idea. And then you'll have a little booklet. And then I don't have any guest checks, so I have something else that's similar to a guest check, is what I'm using. That will go on the cover here once this is all completed. So this is the cover right here. That will be the cover. So to decorate it, I just take some coffee dyed paper, rip it like that. No science to it whatsoever. Then take a little school glue. Literally, this takes about 5 minutes to do. And put it on. Take another one. I'm going to scrunch this one up. Just learned this yesterday online. And glue stick. Glue it on here. Not all the way. Don't put glue on all the way basically to the edges. And then scrunch it together. And you can make another layer of this. I'm going to do that. One more layer. Crunch it up. I was already doing this yesterday. She had learned it from somebody else too. And put it on here. Scrunch it up. Now you can go with designer paper after this. You can use any kind of paper. And what I have done is used a little bit of a kind of an old-fashioned, this is the piece that I used. I got this at Hobby Lobby and came in a large sheet. So I'm just basically tearing bits off of it and inking the edges. And then put that on there. Get some glue stick right here. And I hope the volume is going to be okay. Now there's cheesecloth next. And just cut a piece of that. Get my little fabric glue. Put it on. There's no rhyme and reason to this entire thing. It's just, I'm just going by the seat of my pants. Then I had these cutouts, music paper that I coffee dyed. And I have this big punch that punches out these tags. So that's what I'm going to use. Put it there. And we'll put a girl on top. and put a flower on the bottom. We'll ink these up. Ink it up with some vintage photo, of course. So we'll glue this down just a second. That's glued there really good. Oh, that one is not working really good right now. Let's see if this one will. This one is almost out. Okay, we're just gonna use the screw glue stick, which I don't use that very much at all, but today it seems to be the one that I'm using. I use a tacky glue most of the time. So this one goes on the bottom like that, and then you can put a word on the top if you like. These are from Shabby Dabby Doodah, I believe. Cut that out, ink it, put that word on the top there, like that. You can also put a bow on the top, or I'm gonna put a piece of lace, just like this. Okay, and where's my fabric glue? Right here. There we go. Hope I'm in frame here. Cut it off. So this kind of completes. This is a fast version of the situation. And now you can put a sorry bow on top here to complete it if you want, but this will basically glue on your little booklet on the top, and then it opens like that. Well, will be together, but it opens up like that. So again, the other ones, and then you can put tags in here because both of these envelopes are open. So tags will go in there. There's one that I just did, and there's another one that I just did. Thank you so much. Peace out.